Hello Himiway's group, how are you guys? Today I'm gonna show you how to install the full hydraulic brake system. This is here the full hydraulic, this is the rear one, and this is the front. And it's TEKTRO Dorado 4 piston. And here. So I'm gonna start with the front one, the most easy one. So I prepare the everything. I took out the handlebar, the things from here, and it's already. So let's start from the front one. I took out the front caliper, the mechanical one. So I took it out. So first thing, you take out the caliper, and then you come and this here, you take out this one and you push this one out, and you take this one out. Before, you need to take out the battery and to be sure there is no electricity on the bike. So we take out, disconnect the brake sensor. We take it out. So now I'm gonna install the new one. First, need to be here, and then we go down. Install this one here. One second. I think this is number 3. So we tighten this up a little bit, and we go here. We need to take out first this piece to install it on the bike. We need number 5 Allen key. Take it out. So this go back. So now let me so you get this together. So this is the front one. They come with a red Loctite. And we do this. So I'm gonna install the first one, the adapter, the front adapter. So we just install the adapter and let's check everything is okay. Everything is perfect. And now we're gonna install the caliper. We take this piece out. And now we need to install the bullets. So this one here. And the other one will be here. So we don't need to tighten it too much. It's just like that, just to fix everything and up and to install it here. So here I need the 4. And here we need to take this out. And we connected with the old connector, the sensor. So you need to match this here with this other arrow. And that's it. This for the front brake, everything done. Just we need to put back the lever. And now, so I can adjust the lever back. This for the front brake done. And we need to put everything back, but not now, later on. And now we're gonna start the rear cleaver. First of all, we take this out. Take this. Number 5. And we need to grab one of these here so I can take out the clips. Yeah. Keep it, and the other one, there is another one here. And we take it out. And there is another zip tight. They go here. I already cut it. So now it's moving. Everything is okay. That's it. 1, 2, 3. And now we go on the front. I already took this one. You need to take the throttle out and take this one out and keep this one and take this one out. Okay. So now we go back to the caliper, the new one. They come already with the hanger and everything is ready to go. So this one, I already installed the 2 or 3, the disc brake. Just let me check now. Oh, sorry. I need to take this out. So I go in. Here, fan. So now I need to go from here, and the main thing now is this come already closed, if you can see. So this, once we done, we take it out. I'll show you. So now we need to bring a duct tape like this one. cut the piece like this piece. And we grab the old pipe here and the new one here, and we stick it together. And now you need to be sure all the cable is inside the frame, okay? And we connect this to the old pipe with the new pipe, the hose, and I will start pushing it from the other side and keep tracking it here, okay? So I'll do this. Here they go. So now we need to finish here, everything's perfect. Now I want to go back, put these clips on. This here, and let's go finish in the front and we come back. So now the hose is already here and it's very good distance, perfect. So I want to take this out and clean it with alcohol and to make it good, and I'll show you after that. So after we bring the cable here, so now we need to connect it, and this is the most important part. So you need to always keep the lever down so it doesn't take too much air. And we need first of all, you will get these pieces, okay, here, these pieces, and I will show you how to connect it, okay? So here is the, grab this, here is the hose. First, this one go in, and this one go the same, and this one they go in this side. So the small side is in and the big side is out. So now this is the pullets. We need to take it out. Yeah, let me put it down. Okay, give me number 2. So this here will go with Allen key number 2, and we take out this piece off, and we'll come a little bit oil. This one will be out. And you need to keep this up and the lever. So you need to take this one out, number 6. Take this out, and in the same way we go in this way and we push it all the way in, and we start tighten this one. By hand now. The most important thing, you don't need to touch the lever. And then we need the number 8 to start tighten the cable all the way in. Till you feel it's firm. And here, give me the alcohol wipe. So I put little bit of alcohol here so we can clean it. And we put the cap back, and it's done. So now we put it back to the handlebar. This one. This is like clip-on. Number 4. So we finish here, and now we go back to connect the cable sensor. Same thing, the arrow on the arrow here, and here, put it together, and that's it. So now Everything is good, firm and good. So now I need to adjust the brakes front and rear to complete the thing. But for now everything is good, and that's how we put the 2 piston caliper. Still, like, I want to adjust it so everything will be firm and good, and after that I'll show you how everything is work. And don't forget to, we need to put the here too tight here, this one, and everything is good, and this one also, this one, and we are done. I'll show you after I finish everything. So now I'm gonna show you how to adjust the caliper front and rear in different way. Here. So each kit, they come with a 203 disc brake. So, and you get this piece for the 2 caliper, and the small piece will be for the 1 caliper, the 2 piston, sorry, for the 4 piston and for the 3. So now I'm gonna show you how to adjust the rear and the front caliper with very good adjustment. When you buy the kit, you will get this one for the 4 piston, and you will get this one for the 2 piston. First, you need to take this out and install this piece on the disc, and you need to open this gap a little bit so it can be very good. So I have these tools, and it will be very good tools here. So we open it, and you don't need to tie it all the way. Keep it like that, a little bit loose. So now we need to push the rear brake so they center the caliper, and we start tightening it here. So the back wheel, the back brake is done. All you need just to move it backward and to take this piece out. And now we now go to the same thing for the front, and will be this finishing the adjustment. I forget to mention that after you adjust your brakes, your rotors, everything, after that you need always to bring a clean towel, and you need to have 99% alcohol, and you put the alcohol and the towel and start cleaning all the rotors all the way, and move the wheel front and rear. And this way you keep the disc always clean, and no squeaking sound or rubbing sound or whatever. So be sure always to use the alcohol, nothing else like oil or whatever. You don't need to put your fingers, even your fingers, or when you touch the rotor it will affect. So always after you done adjustment and you do everything, just repeat it one more time. Clean towel, alcohol, and clean all the disc, front and the rear. And with this will be the good way to get the better result for braking, stopping better. And that's it. Thank you. So now I just done fixing everything, adjust everything in good condition. And I connect this here, I connect here, and I put the zip tie. Everything is okay, and here is working. And just to check, here the lights, everything is okay. The brakes, I just finished. I just wanna do this to finish it and finalize it, and everything is okay. I tested today, it was very good. And I want to show you the kits I have. So the kits will be this one, the E500. This is the front one. They come with a 203 disc brake, and the rear one, it doesn't come connected. As you see, they come not connected. So they all the same thing for easy installation. This is the E500 from TEKTRO. And we have the other kit here is the E350. Also, this is the front, the disc, and they come, all of them, they come with the adapter for the 203 mm disc brake. And the rear brake come disconnected. You need just to connect it and to use it. It's already pre-bleed. It's just you need to connect it, and you don't need to bleed anything, just plug and play. This is the 2 piston, and this one is 2 piston, and we have the 4 piston. This one will be the HD-E725, the 4 piston dorado 4 piston. And here the rear caliper and the front caliper, but you need to change this from here to this one. So when you get it, I will do everything before I ship it for you. And the disc brake and all the screwdriver, all the everything, all the screws, the pallets will come full with it, with the kits. So you don't need to use any old screws or pallets. Everything will come as a new, have Loctite, and to be easy to install. And that's the kit I have here. And in the very near future, I'm willing to put the double shoulder fork for my bike. This will be very soon project after I done with this one. And that's it for today. If you need any help, anything, just ask me. I will put the link for all these brakes on the YouTube so you can see the prices and everything. And if you are in California, I can, near LA, I can install it for you. And if you are far, you can see the video I did it, and it's easy to install. Thank you. Have a good day. Hope I explained good and everything was good. Sorry for some mistakes about my English is not very perfect, but here is everything. And thank you. Have a good day.